Hello guys, for today's video, mag-stir fry tayo ng beef tripe with lufa. Lufa is, in our dialect, is patula. So ito guys, yung ating ingredients, patula or lufa. I-cut lang natin siya into bite size. And then yung ating beef tripe. And then yung ating black bean. And then yung ginger, garlic. And then yung ating slurry. So yan guys is cornstarch and chicken powder. So kung hindi kayo gumagamit ng chicken powder, so just omit. So ayan guys, nagready na ako ng aking kawali with oil. Mainit na yan siya. So igisa natin yung ginger and garlic. And then after that, mag-amoy-amoy na yung ating ginger and garlic. So, ilagdag natin yung ating black bean. Ayan. So, yung black bean ko guys is already washed. And then, na-squeeze ko na yan yung salty part niya. So, after that, pag gisa-gisa natin, lagay natin yung ating beef tripe. Ayan. So, stir lang tayo ng stir fry. And then, after that, ilagay natin yung ating sliced lufa. That is a simple way lang, guys. Ilagay tayo ng sugar and salt. Pwede kayo gumamit ng white sugar or brown sugar. Kung ano yung sugar na meron kayo dyan. So, hindi ako nagdagdag guys ng water because yung patula is watery. So, ayan siya. And then, ayan. So, lumabas na yung watery ng patula. And then, ilagay natin guys yung ating slurry. So, yung sinabi ko na is cornstarch and chicken powder. So, kung hindi kayo gumagamit ng chicken powder guys, just omit. So, slurry lang, water, and cornstarch is okay. So, yung taste is according to your taste. Tikman muna kung anong lasa ng ating sa mga kakain. So, ayan, yung pasok sa lasa nila. So, ayan, itikin na natin yung ating sauce and then itikman natin. And then, that is already done. So, iserve na siya natin. So, yun lang guys, and see you for my next video. Thank you. Bye. So ayan na guys, ready to serve. Okay.